Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
We're looking at another gorgeous day in southern Kentucky. Temperatures running just a couple of degrees warmer than yesterday. And we'll find that true again this afternoon with maybe just a few clouds out east of us. As we look at radar, though, nothing showing up there, even though there's a weak cold front that's off to the north and east of our area that's producing a little bit of light rain once you head up toward the Ohio River, but none of that is showing up around here. We're only going to see a few clouds. If you live out toward the Green River Lake area, Lake Cumberland, where you saw some fog this morning, you may see a few more clouds than the rest of us here in southern Kentucky. 76 current temperature reading right now. As we check the temperature trend over the next 7 days, 89 is where we should average this middle part of August, 85 for today, and then we start to climb into the upper 80s the next couple of days into the start of the weekend, and then we're going to stay in the low 90s, humid low 90s too, once we get into the middle of next week. More summer-like readings for our part of the country in this time of the year too. Temperatures right now low to mid 70s, 72 Hodgenville, 73 Edmonton, 74 Litchfield and Hartford, 78 in Madisonville, lower 70s, Burkesville, Albany, where you had some of that fog this morning, and now you're just starting to warm up. In fact, the dew points are still in the low 60s from the Green River Lake area, from Campbellsville through Columbia down to Albany and Burkesville. But as you head west, the dew point temperatures are in the 50s. So a little bit drier air there, and that upper level feature, that weak cold front passing through eastern Kentucky, that's a result of some of that higher dew points further east. As we look live down Scottsville Road, Independence Bank weather cam, mainly sunny, just a few puffy fair weather clouds right now. 76 degrees, southwest wind light, 55% humidity, the pressure falling. Munfordville, you're looking at a sunny day up in Hart County, 73 your temperature. A few more puffy clouds in Edmonton, you're at 73 at this hour. 76 and sunny in Greenville. Litchfield is sunny and 74. Glasgow seeing a few clouds, but otherwise mostly sunny, and you're at 74 degrees. 77 at the Bowling Green Airport. Already some 80s beginning to show up now further south and west of us, a result of that high pressure center moving further east. As a result of that, we're 2 degrees warmer than yesterday. Some locations almost 5 degrees warmer than yesterday's readings at midday. 12-hour radar pretty quiet, except for you can see evidence of those light rain showers from, well, this morning, Cincinnati to Ashland, Huntington, Charleston. Now they've all kind of faded away as that little feature is moving away from northeastern Kentucky. Even though the models kind of overpainted what they thought was going to happen, all that now has moved away. High pressure now in control. We may see just a few clouds during the afternoon, especially east of us, but overall a partly cloudy evening. Then tomorrow, once again, in the higher elevations of the Cumberland Plateau in northeastern Tennessee, there could be maybe a passing shower. That may be overdone as well in the computer models. But overall, as high pressure moves east, more of a southerly flow the next couple of days into the weekend. That's what's going to help us warm back to more summer-like readings. Mix of clouds and sunshine. Overall, mostly sunny today and 85. 61 tonight, partly cloudy and cool. Tomorrow, we'll make it back to 86. A little more humid, 89 for Saturday. And then a series of disturbances starting Sunday afternoon and running through the middle of next week. We'll keep a daily chance of a shower or thunderstorm in there. And, of course, the humid air, highs in the low 90s. We're back with more Midday Live in just a minute.